YouTube Tishy Shoe, and today I have my slime collection, as you see. I don't have a lot of slime with me today, but we're just going to make the best of it, and yeah, so let's get on with the first one. Okay, so the first one I just did is some green container. I have been for this one, so if you have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and yeah. Let's go with the next one. We're going to go with this one. I'm just going to do a little because it's kind of hard to get out of this container, which is this. This one has no name, also if you do have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments so I know. So that's one. So I can hear like fart noises, I'm trying to get in the container. For the longest amount of time. This is my oldest slime, and it doesn't give you enough corn stories.